How to fix PS5 error CE-105799-1. To fix PS5 error CE-105799-1, please try the following steps. 1. Check the PSN status page. If not, 2. Restart your PlayStation 5 and connect your console to the internet via a wired connection. And set up the network settings again. 3. For wireless players, review or change the installation location, bring your PS5 closer to your router, remove anything that may interrupt the connection between the devices. 4. For wireless players, turn off your router and modem, and wait at least 5 minutes, then restart it. Refer to the following IMG. 5. Update the firmware of your router. For details on how to update, please contact the router vendor. Or Google your brand. 6. For wireless players, try opening these ports in your router. TCP, 80, 443, 3478, 3479, 3480 and UDP, 3478, 3479,49152655535. For help with port opening and router settings, please contact your ISP, Internet Service Provider. 7. In the network settings, use a working static/manual IP address. 8. Try changing your PS5 DNS settings, temporarily. 9. Leave your PS5 for a while and try again later.